Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2019 Pioneer 700 4-seater Deluxe model. It's beautiful metallic blue paint scheme. This bike is awesome, side by side. We have been installed the hardtop roof. Comes standard with the Deluxe alloy rims, 3-point safety harness, 675cc fuel injected engine. It's got the 3-speed automotive style automatic transmission, 4-seater with the 2 rear seats are flippable up and down so you can do 2, 3, or 4 passengers. It's got a dump bed on the back with 1,000-pound capacity, 1,500-pound towing capacity. This thing is awesome. $13,899 plus your freight and setup and your roof. Come by, check it out. Make your side-by-side dreams come true. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.